little video to say it doesn't matter what you experience in life per se. What really matters in terms of happiness, joy, and deep feelings is what you value about your experience. So you could have amazing health or be up a mountain, you could be feeling sad or like not happy or anxious and stressed or just not really fully appreciating your experience. But you could, if you experience the same thing or something similar, or even just like ordinary daily life, then you can like really appreciate what you if you're from a different mindset or a different experience in life. Usually it's after a loss, then you have a more value of your experience. That's what happened to me in my life. So yeah, it's not what you experience per se that brings the true joy and happiness and depth or the meaning. It's what you've gone through in life that allows you to experience value and depth from the ordinary daily life or from the wondrous, like sort of more spectacular stuff too. So yeah, bear that in mind, my friends. So usually it's after a loss that allows you to deepen, but it doesn't always have to be that way. But yeah, love you here. It is like County Wexford, Ireland. Hope you're having a beautiful day. Thought I'd share my experience with you. It's very special here. Lots of love to you. So nice. Yay. I love it.